If your blood pressure is high right now, pause for a moment. Don't scroll away. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you the #1 natural method that can help lower blood pressure fast. No medication, no equipment, and you can do it anywhere. But stay until the end because most people do this the wrong way. High blood pressure is called the silent killer for a reason. Nearly half of adults in the United States have high blood pressure, and many don't even know it. It quietly damages your heart, your brain, your kidneys, and your blood vessels. Over time, it increases the risk of heart attack and stroke. Medication can help, but today I'm sharing something you can do right now naturally. This method is supported by medical research and recommended by heart specialists. It's safe, it's free, and it only takes a few minutes. And if you follow along with me, you may feel calmer before this video even ends. Sit down comfortably. Place one hand on your chest and one hand on your belly. If your chest is moving more than your belly, your body is in stress mode. We're about to switch it into calm mode. Do this with me. Slowly breathe in through your nose for 4 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4. Feel your belly rise. Now hold your breath gently for 2 seconds. 1, 2. Now slowly breathe out for 6 seconds. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Let's do that again. Breathe in through your nose for 4 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold for 2 seconds. 1, 2. Now slowly breathe out for 6 seconds. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. As you breathe, your heart rate is slowing. Your blood vessels are relaxing. Your nervous system is calming down. Take 2 more slow, deep breaths at your own pace. Pause for a few seconds. Here's what's happening inside your body right now. Slow, deep breathing activates the parasympathetic nervous system, your body's natural relaxation response. This lowers stress hormones, relaxes blood vessels, and reduces pressure on your heart. Studies show this can lower systolic blood pressure by 5 to 10 points when practiced regularly. You can do this breathing in the morning, before bed, or anytime you feel stressed. Just 5 minutes twice a day can make a real difference. One common mistake people make is breathing too fast. Fast breathing keeps blood pressure high. Slow, deep, controlled breathing is the key. For even better results, combine this with less salt, more water, and a daily 20-minute walk. Small changes create big results. If this video helped you, tap the like button so it can reach others who need it. Subscribe for more natural, doctor-approved health tips. And comment "Done" if you followed the breathing with me. Your heart worked hard for you every single day. Take 1 minute and give it some peace. I'll see you in the next video.